Okay, so what we have here is actually the unboxing of my new toy that I just got in here. Survival Life LLC. Now, though it actually was told to me that this was just going to be something free with just the cost of shipping, as you can see here, this is 66 cents for postage. I was charged $2.50. Does not matter. So, let's go ahead and open this thing up. Inside. Important, you have this $39. We're still waiting at my shop for free, so this is pretty much just an advertisement for me to get something else from them so they can charge me more money for shipping. Here we have my new credit card knife. And inside you will find it is pretty nice. You turn this, blade folds out, fold this over, fold that over, and you have a pretty decent blade. A few things like that right there bother me, but I mean, what are you gonna expect? It's a plastic knife, and it was pretty much free. $2.50. Works pretty well. To put it back, you just go ahead and open this up, open that up, and fold this down. Turn the little thing so it does not open while in your wallet or pocket. These pieces just bend, and